Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term the adventure novel. Introduction. The adventure novel or Abenteuerroman in German is a form of fiction closely related to Picaresque novel or Novelle. Primarily intended as entertainment, the adventure novel can also carry serious purposes, addressing complex themes and societal issues. This genre traces its roots back to medieval verse tales such as Spielmannsdichtung and notable examples like Herschot Ernst, König Rother and Salman und Morloff. These early narratives laid the groundwork for the development of adventure novels. Medieval foundations. The medieval period saw the emergence of verse tales that captivated audiences with their thrilling plots and adventurous heroes. Herschot Ernst tells the story of a rebellious duke. König Rother follows a king's journey to win a bride, and Salman und Morloff explores the exploits of two brothers. These tales combined elements of heroism, romance, and fantasy, creating a foundation for the adventure novel genre. They were popular among the masses, providing a form of escapism and entertainment. Transition to prose. In the 16th century, adventure tales began to appear in prose form, particularly in Volksbücher or people's books. These were accessible to a broader audience and often contained moral lessons alongside their entertaining narratives. George Vikram's Der Goldfaden is an example from this period. These stories were characterized by their simplicity and direct appeal to the common folk, making them a significant step in the evolution of the adventure novel. Widespread influence. One notable example from this period is Volksbuch Fortunatus, which became widely known across Europe in several languages. The tale of Fortunatus, a man who acquires a magical purse and hat, was so influential that it inspired other works, including Thomas Decker's comedy Old Fortunatus 1600. Decker's play retained the adventurous spirit of the original story while adding a comedic twist, demonstrating the versatility of the adventure genre. The fully fledged adventure novel. The adventure novel reached a new level of sophistication with Johann Grimmel-Choisen's Der Abenteuerliche Simplicissimus 1668. This novel follows the life of Simplicius, a naive boy who becomes a soldier during the 30 Years' War. Grimmel-Choisen's work is notable for its detailed depiction of the chaotic and brutal realities of war, blending adventure with social critique. This novel is considered a masterpiece of the genre, influencing subsequent adventure narratives. Another significant contributor to the genre was Johann Beer, who wrote several adventure novels. His works continued the tradition of blending entertainment with deeper themes, reflecting the complexities of human nature and society. Later derivatives. In 18th century, the adventure novel evolved into various subgenres, including the Schauerroman or Gothic novel and the Ritter und Räuberroman, knight and robber novels. These subgenres retained the adventurous spirit while exploring new thematic territories. Gothic novels, for example, introduced elements of horror and the supernatural, while knight and robber novels focused on chivalric and criminal exploits. Conclusion. The adventure novel has a rich and varied history, evolving from medieval verse tales to sophisticated narratives that blend entertainment with social commentary. Early examples like Herschot Ernst, König Rother, and Salman and Morlov laid the foundation for the genre, which further developed through prose tales and influential works like Der Abenteuerliche Simplicissimus. The genre's adaptability and enduring appeal have ensured its continued relevance in literature, providing readers with thrilling narratives that explore the human experience in all its complexity. So this was the discussion on the term adventure novel. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.